You're trying to find out how to replace the earpads on your Bose QC45 headphones. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly as I said how to replace the earpads on your Bose QC45 headphones. In today's video, I'm going to also show you our Wicked Cushions QC45 upgraded earpads. I'll show you why we call them upgraded, and I will show you all of the differences that we made on them. So let me move you to the top of the table and let's start. By the way, if you want to grab a pair, there's going to be a link at the top right corner right now or in the description below. Go give it a try. I'll talk more about it at the end of this video. Okay, let's start. This is going to be very simple. If you by any chance ever replaced earpads on any Bose headphones, you probably know the drill. But this is the same exact way like the QC35, 25, all the quiet comforts basically. So the first step, we're going to remove the earpads. You are going to hold the earpads from within like that, and with your thumb on the other side, you're simply going to pop them out. So the way that the earpads are installed, I'll try to get close so you can see it very well. There are hooks all around the ear cup. There are exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hooks on the cup. On the back side of the earpad, you have the ring. Now this is something I have to address because in previous videos that I did for the QC35, a lot of people got this confused. I'll try to find something that is more clear. You see on the actual ring, I'll remove this so it can focus. On the actual ring, you might see some ridges after you remove them. These ridges are not supposed to come with the earpad. So the new earpad that you will receive, you won't see those ridges. These ridges are caused by being under the hooks for such a long time because this is kind of plasticky yet soft. So once it's under the hooks for such a long time, these ridges are created. So don't worry if the new earpad that you receive does not come with these ridges. They are created over time. So the second step is optional. If your scrims, that's what we call the screen protectors, if they are dirty, you can also replace them. So you're simply going to pull on them because they are glued with adhesive. Now it's very important that after you remove them, you don't want to get any liquid or any small objects near the headphones because you don't want anything to fall inside the magnetic speakers, because once something falls inside, it might ruin it. So after you took away the scrims, you're simply going to remove and scrape off the leftover adhesive. We're going to grab the new pads. I'm going to use the Geo Gray for today. And I will also show you what is the difference between our pads and the original pads. Now these are the originals and this is ours. The first thing you'll notice out the bat is that ours are slightly thicker. They're thick enough for your ears not to touch the inside drivers, which these are the drivers that cause you pain, but are not too thick to ruin the noise canceling. Because when you make an earpad too thick, it's going to change the sound and the noise canceling. The second thing is that the originals on the seams are only glued. With our cushions, they are stitched and reinforced with glue. So it's going to create a better durability for your inside seams. By the way, if you remove the screen and you don't remember which side is left and which side is right, remember the right side is the side with the power button. All right, now let's put on the screens. You're gonna get a screen with a bunch of adhesives on it. Just remove it. And we are just going to put it on. Make sure this is the right side again. We're just going to place it inside. Just gonna glue nice and tight. I'm gonna take the left one. You don't have to be completely perfect with the scrims. Their job is just to protect anything from falling inside the speaker. Now for the ear pads, I'll show you the easiest way. The trick is you're going to expose the plastic base like this. You're going to take your index finger and expose it. And what you want to do is basically expose it like that with your thumb. I start with the index finger and then I move to the thumb. And then you're going to align it into the first hook. And with your nail, you're going to push it under the hook and you will hear a clicking sound. You heard it right now, and then you're going to go over all the 10 hooks. And then at the end, you're just going to go like this, expose the pad so you can see that all 10 hooks are on top of the plastic base. Now, after I've seen, I'm just gonna move to the other side, do the same thing, hold it like that, and put it under the hooks. And that's it. And as you can see, tightly in place, and you are done. If you stayed until this part of the video, it must mean you want to hear about our upgraded QC45 ear pads. As I mentioned while I was installing, our ear pads are thicker than the original, which is going to prevent your ears from touching the inside drivers, which has been the #1 complaint forever with any quiet comfort model. Not only that, we made our foam slightly firmer, which is going to feel like that for the first 3 weeks until they break in, but it's going to prevent your ear pads from ever going flat, and again, preventing your ears from touching the drivers. And on top of that, our signature sauce, the stitched inside seams that are reinforced with glue. If you've had a pair of Quiet Comfort for a while, you know that eventually the ear pads split right at the seams. With our stitched seams, it's never going to happen to you again. To top it all off, every order from Wicked Cushions comes with a 365-day warranty. If for whatever reason you are not completely in love with this product, contact us and we'll refund you immediately. So if you want to try them out, simply click at the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful and I hope that I convinced you to try a pair. Don't forget, every pair of Wicked Cushions comes with a 365-day warranty, so it's risk-free for you. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.